Yeah, this thing, look at this. This thing does not rock. It used to be a porpoise.
Welcome to Two Wheel for Fun, a site I created for the simplicity of the ride. Every like, comment, and interaction with you, the viewer, fuels me to keep going. Where do I go from here? Let's ride and see.
Good morning, people. This is your boy Tony Rey-no coming at you from Two Wheel for Fun. You know, the site I created for the simplicity of the ride. Well, as always, I am leaving Lancaster on the 14th, heading out for some. Today is going to be some fun slash business because just like Slappy over at Slappy Adventures, I got my own Charlie B sign, the name of Gilmore Dave. And he's going to put some progressive springs in my 2015 today, providing I can get over there in time. That's if I can get over the 14 freeway, because when I took my niece to work a couple of days ago, there was still snow. So hopefully that is not the case today, because I know we got a little bit the other day, and here it is Thursday, so we'll see. So we'll talk more about the springs later once I get to Dave's house. All right, so we'll catch you later on that part. All right, peace. Good morning, people. This is your boy Tony Rey-no from Two Wheel for Fun. I'm a little late to the party because Dave has already started on my motorcycle. I'm trying to see if I have this thing going the right way, but I'll turn around here in a second. I am getting progressive springs installed. You know what? Let's be real. Dave is installing progressive springs. And we also have Marty here. See him there? We haven't seen him in a while because he's been in Antarctica listening to icebergs crack and all that stuff. So we're a little bit jealous, but you know, the springtime is going to bring a lot of good riding. And turn that around so you guys can see Corventure Dave at work. And yeah, we'll get back to you in a second while I turn the camera around or something. As soon as I unlock it, there we go. And we are watching the man at work. He has the center console off, and what he's doing right now is he's drilling two little holes where the screws are, where you can get the rubber part off. Oh, I get over here. And he's doing that so we don't have to do some other stuff. You know, just
there's two little screws that hold the cover over the triple tree, and you can't get them because of this bracket right here.
Roger that.
And that can be removed, but you got to remove a whole bunch of other things to get to it.
Okay.
So I just drill a couple holes through it so the screwdriver can go right straight down to the Phillips heads. And from now on, if I do any fork service, I can just get to these little screw heads right down in there.
Roger that. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the hole is right here.
Yeah, that's just a starter hole. I'll definitely make it bigger.
Okay.
But yeah,
Cool
that's what we're doing. And a lot of guys, they just leave this plastic cover off. But that to me is like driving around with 3 wheel covers. I like to have everything is where it's supposed to be.
Understood.
So,
Understood.
you know, everybody eat your own.
The master at work. And Marty and I are his cheerleading team. Go, go, go! You won't get a step-by-step thing, but for the most part, I'll try to document what he's doing. And most importantly, stay out of his way.
Okay, next time.
That's the lesson I learned.
Right? I'll tell you what, man. If you ever want to feel useless, just watch somebody work on your bike, because he's like, is there anything I can do? And he's like, no, just be over there. Get out of the way. So Marty and I are both out of the way. Right, people. So the first place is off. We have the little, I guess you can call these strut covers. It is off. And he's going to get to the
We'll loosen the top
tubes.
bolts
triple
of the
Okay.
triple tree so we can take the tension off of the
Oh, okay.
shock top caps.
We'll be back. Okay, I missed that, people, but he has just removed one of the fork tube tops. We're over there talking about hard knock stuff, you know, real men stuff. No, real man stuff. But he has it off, so I guess the spring is in there. And oh shit!
Yeah.
Should I go home and get the freaking springs now?
Do you not have the springs?
No, I got them. I just wanted to get your face on it.
I've got an old set with 90,000 miles on them. We'll put those suckers in there. They're still better.
Gotcha. I just wanted to see the expression on his face. I thought it was more gonna be like, what the hell?
It's only like a two-hour turnaround. No, the thing is, I've never done that.
Gotcha. Oh, you never done that?
Yeah, right.
Oh man. Put
Okay.
these right here.
Well, just anywhere is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So and now he's getting ready to.
I pulled the spacer tube out now.
Okay.
I got to get. This is not the wire I usually use. See if we can get a hold of. Yeah, we got it. It's a big one.
Uh-oh. This is why I stay out of the way in his garage. I'll put that there. I feel like I'm a kid in a store.
Oops.
And your mom said, don't touch that. Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's a keeper.
There we go.
Yeah, let's.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
Stuff up here.
Move that up there. Okay. So this is the spacer.
That's a spacer, and that's
And
a
then
spring.
that's the spring. Okay.
And I've got to drop the little. Ah, good. This is the spacer goes on top of
Oh,
the
okay.
spring between there and the spring.
Gotcha. Okay.
And so now we've got that all out. Now, the new. See, I got a lot of these.
Ingenious.
Oh, look at those beautiful shiny things.
They are. Look at that.
And then like they do in so many other videos, these are the instructions.
Perfect.
When you've done it a zillion times.
Gotcha.
We'll drop in the new one.
And the
Progressive
the hard
says
part?
you can put the compressed end top or bottom.
Okay.
But I like to put them down on the bottom. It's more
Okay.
like what the factory did.
Gotcha.
Doesn't make any difference.
Okay. Voila. Okay. Now, how do we check, or is there a check the quality of the oil or whatever that's in there, or?
We can check the oil, but I think you're fine.
Okay.
With the mileage you have on this, I think you're going to be fine.
Okay.
That could be
Gotcha.
another project, or if you should have the fork seal leak or something like that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Perfect.
Let me drop this guy down.
And the
Down level.
spring is down the hole.
Laying flat in there almost.
Okay. So let me try to. I'm trying to get that. You can see the spring down in there. So not bad at all. Not bad at all.
When you get through doing one side, the other side goes faster because you already have all the tools you need close.
Gotcha. A little closer. You don't have to walk. Ladies and gents, we're at David's Man Cave, as it says on the sign. You know, I follow a guy now. He's Man Cave Mayhem, named Larry. Man Cave Mayhem, but this is Dave's Man Cave on Corvair Monza Boulevard. And check out his Corvair. This is one beautiful truck. You guys have to see this in person. Well, you don't have to, because I'm not going to show you where he lives, but
This is freaking phenomenal.
It's on
And,
YouTube, but you gotta hunt.
There you go.
Yeah.
And I was supposed to record all of his stuff, but we got so busy talking, and I was amazed at what he was doing. I was just watching and looking and talking. Yeah. But he has replaced the fork springs, disengaged the anti-dive,
Let me change your
and
final
changed
drive.
the final drive oil. And rocking and rolling. And as you can see, we have two that look alike, and then we have Marty's out here.
The oldster.
In the sunlight flickering off of it. His is clean. Mine's not gonna flicker like that because it's not clean. And the board is still there.
On the board.
Yep.
This just levels the bike up, so
Okay.
it's easier to get the jack out.
Gotcha. Sweet.
She blows.
Down to that. I mean, it is freaking solid. And he also disabled the anti-dive, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun on the way home. And like I told him, that little bit I'm already impressed by. So we'll definitely see. Oh, you need me to take those or trash them, or you got them? Okay. All right. Nice seeing you again, Marty.
You too.
All right, and thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. And we'll definitely be on a ride for sure as soon as all this stuff gets all squared away. All right, man. This thing is solid now. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the fish. Yeah, this thing, look at this. This thing does not rock. It used to be a porpoise. Have a good one. Yep, that thing is solid. Solid. That's the truck. Yeah, people. Just got the progressive springs in. Dave hooked me up with that, and the very first initial response is this thing is just super solid. I mean, rock solid, if I can say. So yeah, I'm liking it. Now another thing that I used to experience when I had the other springs in is the bike would either pull to the left or right. I think I just trying to put cruise control on. Oh, that's right, I have to be over 40. So we'll see. But before, when I had cruise control on, and I would just have my hands off of the bars just to see if the bike stayed true, it would pull to the right. I'm sorry, it always pulled to the right. I'm gonna see if the progressive springs change that at all. Check that out. The bike is holding straight. So in addition to the nice solid feel with those springs, and I don't know if him disabling the anti-drive had anything to do with it or not, but look, here's the hands, and the bike is staying true. It's not going left, right, or whatever, it's just going straight. Yeah, baby. I'm digging the progressive springs. Very nice. Cena, stop recording.